Hey guys, it's Courtney. Today I'm going to show you how to do the water drop sound. And I'm going to show you how to do this in 3 easy steps. Let's get on with the video. Step number 1. The first thing you need to do is form your lips like you're going to whistle. So but don't whistle while you're doing it. Step number 2. For this step, you want to flick your chin like this. So pretend you're going to whistle already and do this. And that's what you need to do for that step. Step number 3. So for this final step, what you need to do is push out air with your tongue. So do it like this. While you're doing this, do not breathe, don't actually whistle. So when you're putting all of these steps together, you want to act like you're going to whistle, so do this. And you want to flick under your chin. And you want to push out air with your tongue without breathing. So when you put that all together, it sounds like this. And by the way, I like coffee. This does take practice, so don't get upset if you don't get it right the first time, because it took me 2 weeks to do this, doing it every single day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that you actually learned how to do the water droplet sound. This needs to be in front. Me and Carter have a try not to laugh challenge that we're going to put up, and it's going to be fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really appreciate everybody who has subscribed to me and watches my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. See you next time.